Dessie. Just Dessie. Yahoo! You can't be here. Red carpets are strictly for A-list film stars.
E-list?
I said A-list, you moron, not E.
Then why isn't your mother here?
Excuse me?
She starred in a film of mine last night, and she was definitely naughty.
Huh. Your mom was seen at a vegan festival, but geeks out on Golden Girls with your dog.
Oh! You are less powerful than your ex.
Uh, Your dad and you were seen at a vegan festival and are yet another reboot of Your Adopted Kids.
Jonah Hill's Hubert Undercarriage had a steamy makeout scene with a shorter version of Benedict Cumberbatch, but has all but forgotten a lucky punk.
Your mentor can't grow a beard and is as stylish as a disguised old folks' home.
Oh! Your dad got cancer after being exposed to your therapist, but you begin to bore the hell out of me.
Your face got beauty secrets from your lazy-eyed cousin, but is a James Bond knockoff. And that is just swell.
Your financial portfolio went to rehab because of your sidekick, and that's just swell. You're right, I am a nobody. I'll see myself out.
Nobody indeed. But by all means, stay. Someone has to vacuum.